All right, the drill down is where we drill down into a stock in the news, and no stock more in the news right now than a future stock, Groupon. But the face of Groupon is young CEO Andrew Mason. But the power behind the throne is Eric Lefkofsky, Groupon's co-founder, executive chairman, and the largest shareholder. Lefkofsky owns 22% of Groupon and stands to make $5.3 billion on this deal, assuming a $25 billion IPO valuation. Now, only some of his history is revealed in the Groupon prospectus. Lefkofsky left behind two bankrupt companies, investor lawsuits amid promises of revolutionary technologies that will transform bricks and mortar businesses. In 1994, Lefkofsky got the city of Columbus, Wisconsin, to back his takeover of a local clothing manufacturer. But after laying off workers, the firm sought bankruptcy protection, and Lefkofsky was sued by investors who say he took the business resources to start his next venture, Starbelly.com. Well, in 1999, his Starbelly.com was a hot B2B e-commerce startup. Lefkofsky sold Starbelly to a bricks-and-mortar tchotchke vendor called Halo for $240 million. But the software didn't work, according to an Ernst & Young opinion on the deal, which was later discovered in a shareholder lawsuit. And within a year, Halo had been written off the entire acquisition as worthless. Months later, Halo was bankrupt, or in bankruptcy itself. And an investor lawsuit later turned up some profane emails from Lefkofsky, one saying, quote, "Let's get funky. Let's announce everything. Let's be wildly positive in our forecast. If we get whacked on the ride down, who gives a..." I'm not going to say that, but I'll say it off camera. Now, his next venture, the publicly traded Inner Workings and Echo Global Logistics, another publicly traded company, have taken in $268 million from investors and capital since 2001, and yet have created just $75 million in accumulated earnings. Lefkofsky has made tens of millions selling stakes in both companies. Now Lefkofsky stands to make $5.3 billion in the Groupon deal, in addition to the tens of millions he's already made selling shares in the secondary market, according to the S-1 filing. So perhaps investors are hoping to ignore his past and pay up for the latest promise of change to the world through a magical, if unprofitable, technology.